You know, so I've said it every year. It's a great techie store. We're in Tropical Plaza, which is where our Christmas shopping spree takes us. And Carrie Ann Campbell is the in-store supervisor. Everything good?
So far, so good.
Merry Christmas. Tell me some of the stuff you have on display here.
We have our home entertainment systems.
Yeah.
We have our speakers, and we have our security cameras.
It's a clock, but
it's a clock, but it's a security camera as well.
One of the numbers. What kind of phones you carry?
We carry Samsung, we carry LG, we carry Blue, and all different types of phones. This is one of our iTunes gift cards.
I'm playing them, I can come get a discount.
And also we do have the Google ones for the Android products. We have our tablets, we have our Amazon Fire, we have 10, 7, 8. We also have our cameras. So we have our high definition cameras, and we also have our GoPro.
Which is like?
For our persons who like to go underwater and the dirt bike ridings and stuff like that. Right. We also have our Beats, earphones from JBL. We also have our Beats, the disc jockeys and stuff like that, who likes those clear sounds and you know that awesome sound. Yeah. So we have our Nintendo 3DS or Switch. Yeah. We also have our PlayStation 4.
FIFA 19.
And oh yes, I have our deal of the day.
What sometimes is deal of the day?
Yes, sometimes my boss go crazy.
Why?
And decide that, you know, just for one day, I'm going to slash the prices. We have our VR viewers. You'll be able to put a phone in, download the app to your phone, and you'll be able to watch the 3D movies.
Right here.
Yes. And we also have the drones. So we have the DJI, we have the Spark, and we have the Magic Hair. All
right, folks. So check them out this Christmas. They're in Tropical Plaza, they're in Ocherius, they're in Ligony, and you are
in Portmore.
In Portmore. What's new? HP store. What does HP mean?
It's Hewitt Packard.
Hewitt Packard.
Yes.
And everything in this store is Hewitt Packard.
Yes.
All right, well, let's start. What are we talking about here?
We carry laser jets, office jets, desk jets. These two are more office-based use, while these are more home-based.
And these are printers?
Yes, and all three are wireless.
And this is?
Laptops. So it's Windows Professional.
Oh, so if you're a student, you wouldn't want to buy one like this?
You can, if you wish, but if not, you can get the home.
Okay, you have phones?
Yes, we do.
HP?
Yes, it is. We also carry accessories such as bags, we carry earphones, we carry mouses, we carry keyboards. We also have adapters, which are portable. We also carry all-in-ones, which is either consumers or professionals.
Hold on, what is an all-in-one?
Monitor and desktop-in-one.
What are these little fellows right here?
These are desktops. So instead of having a big form factor, we have them in a small form factor. We currently have deals on printers.
On printers?
So for
all printers or
not
just?
For all the consumers. So for 21HP2135 and HP2675, we currently have them on sale. For the 2675 is $5,500 and the 2135 $4,995.
Okay. Only store in Jamaica?
Yes, it is.
What about opening hours? Same time with the plaza, I suspect?
We are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Monday to Thursdays, and on Friday and Saturdays we're from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. But because of the holiday, we'll extend our hours.
All right, well, there you go. Another wonderful techie store where you can only get HP, which means
Hewitt Packard.